Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna be unboxing another Kickstarter product. This has been way long overdue. Uh, I've had this since August. I haven't found the time around to unbox it, but let's just do it. Here we have it, the Montanc Bluefeel. It's a vacuum cleaner. You might remember the oats bath I reviewed and unboxed a while ago, and this is another one, another portable vacuum cleaner. So let's open it up. This one, unlike the other one that was from a company that isn't that well known, this one at least had engineers that worked uh, for Samsung. So I hope at least this is a better product, at least cleaning wise. Okay, as you can see it, Montanc Bluefeel. It says it shows 15,000 PA, unsurpassed power suction, ultra lightweight, 535 grams, only 70 decibel noise, wireless charging. Wireless charging? Nice. Wireless charging. Okay. Let's open it up to see the product. Let's see the product now. Okay. Okay, it's from the other side. Okay, here we go. No thank you letter, no nothing from Kickstarter, but it brings out the product, so. Okay, no thank you letter, no nothing, but just a product. That's all I need. As I said before, this was a Kickstarter. Okay, nice. Looks like a full-blown vacuum cleaner. It brings even a carpet cleaner and a floor cleaner and everything. Handle? Whoa. I think this is more than I bargained for. Here we have the vacuum cleaner per se. Okay, looks mostly like the other one. That's size-wise, it's the same, almost the same length. It's more ergonomic, at least that part it's got it going for it. So let's put it up. Let's see what else we have. Okay, we got adapters. We got extenders. We got a lot of stuff. Nice. No. This way? No. No, this goes directly. Okay, good. Okay, got an extender and everything for this part. Nice. The base, okay, is technically not wireless charging because it has this points of connection, so technically not wireless charging. But you just put it there and that's it. So yeah and no. Yes and no. Okay, we got the charger. Oh, the car charger. Nice. And the wall charger. Just a regular wall charger. That's it. So, just a regular wall charger. Just a regular wall charger, and that's it. So, let's see if it works, if it turns on. Okay. Oh. Okay, this one does work. Whoa! It has 2 modes. Nice. Nice. Really, really nice. I might even use this on my own home. This is really, really nice. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. I'm definitely gonna be using this one for my car. Okay. It has a built-in filter, reusable filter. Nice. So it's great. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.